What is up, flippers? Welcome back to a bit of a different video here today, because instead of a balisong or something balisong related, I'm actually going to be unboxing some WorryBricks. Yeah, they are a kind of fidget toy. I would definitely consider them more of a fidget toy than a skill toy. There's definitely some really cool and hard moves and tricks you can learn to do with them, but I don't know, I see myself just more fidgeting with them more than doing crazy moves, but we'll see if that changes after the unboxing here and after I've had them for a bit. This is my first pair or set of WorryBricks. I got the Tacticals. Took a while for these to ship. I'm not sure if he always does his drops like that, but it seems kind of weird to me that, I mean, sure, people do pre-orders, but I don't know, it just seemed weird that he did a pre-order. I'm not sure if all of his drops are pre-orders like that. But yeah, anyway, finally got my hands on them, and let's see what they're all about. Got shipping label, the receipt, and I have one pair of bricks. All right, let's take a look here. Pretty fairly simple packaging. Just get a box with some cushion in there and the bricks. These are like a bit smaller than I originally imagined. They feel really nice though. Let's see. There we go. Huh. Ugh. Okay, it's pretty cool, pretty interesting. Oh, no, I dropped it. It went flying too. Hold up, I'm gonna have to find it. Yeah, I thought they would be like a little bit bigger, like ever so slightly bigger. I'm not sure if these are any smaller than the normal WorryBricks or not, but so yeah, you can kind of see what I meant by they seem a little bit more just like kind of fidget toys to kind of just play around with, and magnets and noise. You can definitely do some pretty cool tricks with them, but that was pretty cool. Yeah, it seems hard to like get like a full combo going or keep the momentum. I mean, I'm sure I'll get better with time, but that's definitely my first impressions. Off camera, I was kind of trying to do like some different when I went to go pick them up, I tried to do like some different aerials and tried to get them to connect together, but I just kept kind of throwing them throwing them away from each other so they didn't end up connecting, but let's see. I'm getting it down a little bit. Okay, I like that. You just kind of flick it hard enough that the magnet comes apart a little bit. So yeah, these are definitely pretty cool. I'll let you guys know what kind of tricks I learn. I definitely think that these probably stay in my pocket, like as EDC. Seems pretty fun. You know, non-threatening. It's not as like flashy as you know, even flipping something like plastic like that. This is pretty low key, which I like. Yeah, so there's definitely some cool little tricks that you can do. It's probably my favorite so far, just that flick aerial. Yeah, I'm gonna have to hit up Blue Seal. Shout out to you. He was the one who introduced me to WorryBricks in the first place. He's a producer. He does cardistry, beglery, and now balisongs also. Yeah, really cool dude. You should definitely check him out. I'll have his on screen for sure. But yeah, he's the one who introduced me to these, and this was the first drop that I caught of the WorryBricks. There's actually another drop of WorryBricks going live tomorrow. I believe it's tomorrow. I'm gonna have to double check that, but yeah, I think I'm going to cop those as well. Yeah, these are the tactical WorryBricks, which are kind of like a new design that he did. All the other ones before this had, instead of it being hollow, it wasn't hollow. And then there's like a little thumb print or a little indent or rest on each side, which I thought is really cool. So I think I'm definitely gonna have to cop a pair of those for myself. Yeah, because these are definitely really cool. I'm definitely digging them so far. You know, I feel like this is less distracting than flipping a balisong, like for myself if I'm trying to work or, you know, edit a video or something like that. Balisong flipping kind of takes a little bit too much of my attention, so this is just perfect to kind of mess around with in the background while working and stuff like that. So yeah, huge shout out to Weston. He is the creator of WorryBricks here. Blue Seal actually told me that he was he posted a lot of videos and like tutorials and stuff like that of the thumb chucks with like the rubber balls, I think. So yeah, Weston was into beglery and I guess, you know, these thumb chucks. And I forgot how long ago it was, but he created these WorryBricks here. And yeah, they are pretty cool, pretty cool. I did order 2 sets of these. I ordered this set on the drop, and then they were still in stock, and so he put them on sale for like 20 bucks, I think. So I had to cop another set. Really cool, kind of opens you up to you know, different tricks with more bricks. And yeah, I might sell the second set I got of these tacticals here to a friend, or maybe, you know, a flipper if one of you guys wants them. But of course, you know, my IRL friends are gonna get first dibs on that if they want to buy them. But yeah, WorryBricks, definitely digging them. The sound is really good. Correct me if I'm wrong, but this sound is like totally different from the normal WorryBricks. What? That was funny. What? How do I keep doing that? Ooh, that sounded clean. Hold up, hold up. Oh, I love that. Yeah, these sound different if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, they definitely sound really cool. They sound really cool. They're really fun to just mess around with. Oops, sorry, I had to go grab it. Yeah, they're really fun to mess around with, and like I said, they don't require as much attention as even like a trainer balisong. For out in public, they're not as like threatening or flashy as even a plastic balisong, you know. So these are really cool. I'm definitely glad I picked these up. Definitely glad Oh Blue Seal showed these to me. Shout out Weston, these are really cool, definitely digging them. He actually teased, or you know, he shared some pictures, I think, of some mini bricks. So that's kind of exciting. I think that would be really cool. Possibly easier to do tricks, I don't know, we'll see, we'll see. Yeah, can't wait to see when those come out. I will probably be picking up those also. Yeah, go check them out if you haven't heard of them. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, flippers. I will see you in the next one. See ya.